Thanks for joining this how-to video, brought to you by Salesforce Support. In this video, we'll learn how to configure WebStore Records. The WebStore record cannot be created directly from UI, so you would need to use the tools like Developer Console. Navigate to Debug and open Execute Anonymous window. Here is the sample script that you can use to create a WebStore record. The script has a method that has three inputs: name, instance ID, and site ID. The method creates a WebStore record with the name, as given in the input. The default tax locale type is net or gross. The format for external reference is instance ID at site ID. And the type should be B2C. Now we'll call a method with the input parameters. For the first parameter name, you can give any name to the store. The second parameter instance ID you can get from the B2C Commerce Cloud. To get it, navigate to Administration. Global Preference. Salesforce Order Management Integration Settings. And here the tenant ID is your instance ID. Now, the third parameter is site ID, which you'll also get from the B2C Commerce Cloud. Navigate to Administration, Sites, and Manage Sites. Here the ID of the RefArch site is RefArch, which is the site ID as we are creating the RefArch site web store. Now let's execute the sample script. The WebStore record is created successfully. To verify, let's run a simple query. We can see that the WebStore record is created with the inputs we provided in the script. To learn more, check out the other videos in this series. Search for topics in Salesforce Help, or come join us on the trail at trailhead.salesforce.com. Thanks for watching.